It's 5 o'clock in the morning, and this is the preparation for a special event. Cheers to the final episode from Ghor. And today is Naw Bhui Rua, the first day of paddy cultivation. The weather is beautiful and Haas is ready too.
People come and people go through high streets we know. Dark and light, day and night. No one knows what the future will bring.
Apart from the paddy field, the workload is in the kitchen too, as food is cooked twice for the separate batches. Meanwhile, I decide to spend some time with Dodo, my grandpa. So, Japi is a traditional headgear from Assam. Farmers use it while working in the fields to protect them from the sun or rain. Bhat is ready for the first batch, and post lunch, time for some wise words.
Sayangol hekana bua kwa agara sayangol matto sayangol kana hai mana sayangol hai au edu hasto bhagano ko ase matto sayangol tha apna hoise hobo baki apni jiman diyo
And then it was time for chai and pitha for the second batch. Amidst so much of fun, I didn't realize what time it was until our field in charge became restless. And of course, a bit slow, but I did it.
এনেকৈ আকৌ যে আগতে মই ৰুই দিওঁ ইয়াত নহয় এতিয়া বস্তুটো বতাহত মানে আকৌ গি যাবহি গি গ'লে মানে বস্তুটো এনেকৈ যাব নহয় এনেকৈ যাবগৈ বস্তুটো ইয়াক খানা এনেকৈ কাটি দিয়া হৈছে কাটি আছে মানে ইয়াৰ পৰা তেতিয়া নতুনকৈ বোকা ওলাই আহিছে ব'লা
Head up high, here I come, and I
There is so much of love and positivity in the air. And now you know the reason why I love this place. Hence, it was about creating infinite memories and capturing all those I could until my phone's battery died. Hey guys, what's up? So yeah, that was the last episode from my grandma's village. Hope you all liked it. Please let me know in the comment section below if you have noticed any sort of improvement from video 1 till so far. And yeah, those who have not watched my video, the previous videos till now, I'm going to share the link in the description box below. Please go and watch all of them and then you can tell me how have you liked them. And apart from that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more such videos like that. Meanwhile, see you in my next video. Bye.